Millions of people hitting the roads or taking to the skies today, heading home for Thanksgiving.
AAA expects over 1 million Marylanders to travel for the holiday. WMAR 2 News' Mark Roper is live at BWI Airport, where many travelers will be headed this morning. Mark, I'm sure things are busy behind you. How's it looking?
Good morning. We are in the Southwest Terminal, and things look a lot better than they did just about a half hour ago. If you take a look at the ticket counters behind me, they don't really look too bad right now. But a half hour ago, the lines were extremely long. A lot of people coming in early to get their flights. And if you take a look over at the security check-in point, right now, lines don't look too bad over there early either. But again, this can change throughout the day as people head to the airport to catch their flights. And AAA travel experts say this is the 4th year in a row that the number of Marylanders traveling for the holiday will be more than 1 million people. A million alone of those travelers are expected to drive to where they need to go, and more than 80,000 are projected to fly home for the holiday. BWI officials expect the Thanksgiving travel period to be the 3rd consecutive record-breaking year for passenger traffic, so they're making it easier for car traffic to get around here as well.
We've moved all commercial roadway operations to the upper level of the terminal roadway. All off-airport parking shuttles, all hotel shuttles, as well as Uber and Lyft operations will occur on the upper level of the terminal roadway. That will take some of that pressure off the lower terminal roadway, which can get backed up during peak travel periods.
And again, you can see the lines behind me don't look too bad right now, but officials do predict this to be another record-breaking year. So they also recommend that you do get to the airport at least 2 hours before your flight. We're live at BWI. Mark Roper, WMAR 2 News.